Hello guys, I'm Sony. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today's video is packed with opportunity because we have three fresher openings and all three are from Accenture. Now before you think these are all the same role, they are actually completely different. One opportunity is from application development, another one is a software, application and cloud technical support, and third one is a network operations. So make sure to watch this video till the end. The first opportunity is for the role of SW App Cloud Tech Support New Associate, and this position is based in Hyderabad. Now, many people ignore support related roles even without reading the job description, but this one is actually more technical than regular customer support. You will be working inside Accenture's Tech for Operations team, where the focus is on maintaining applications, automating repetitive tasks, and improving operational efficiency using technology. So, rather than simply answering support tickets, you will be solving technical issues and working with enterprise applications. Talking about your day to day work, you will support application maintenance activities and resolve technical issues using standard troubleshooting methods. You will also help implement automation solutions that reduce manual work across different business processes. Apart from that, you will analyze operational data, improve system efficiency, collaborate with technology and delivery teams, and support IT systems used across enterprise operations. So this role gave exposure to application support plus automation, which is valuable combination if you are planning to grow into cloud or DevOps roles later. Coming to the skills, the company is looking for candidates familiar with automation anywhere, application maintenance, process automation, IT operation, analytical thinking, and problem solving. Knowledge of infrastructure management, intelligent automation, or RPA tools will be an added advantage, but it's not mandatory. For eligibility, graduates from disciplines like BCom, BE, and other graduation streams are eligible to apply. Don't worry if you are not from these, we have two more opportunities. Experience required is 0 to 1 year, so freshers can definitely target this opportunity. If you are someone interested in cloud operations, automation, or technical support, then this role is worth considering. If you are targeting product based companies, don't just watch random DSA playlists, you actually need a proper roadmap. That's why I recommend the DSA course from KnowledgeGate. The best part is you have two options, one in Java and another one in Python. So you can simply pick whichever language you are more comfortable with. Both courses start from language fundamentals and then gradually move into interview level DSA topics like trees, graphs, heaps, and DP. You will also solve interview level problems, get lead code solutions, and on top of that, the AI learning platform tracks your progress, identify your weak topics, and recommends what to study next so your preparation stays consistent. Now let's move on to the second opportunity. This one is probably more attractive role for developers. Accenture is hiring application developers in Bengaluru, and this role is focused on Python application development. Now, if you have been learning Python and looking for a first developer job, then this opportunity deserves your serious attention. Here, you will be actually involved in software development. You will design, build, and configure enterprise applications. You will develop, clean, and maintain Python code, participate in debugging, improve functionality, maintain technical documentation, and work closely with other developers during project execution. You will also take part in technical discussions and solve real development problems. So, unlike pure support roles, this one gives you direct software development experience. The required skills include Python, API integration, database integration, debugging, agile methodology, and problem solving. Knowledge of SDLC and code optimization will be an added advantage. Coming to the eligibility, Accenture has mentioned 15 years of full time education, which generally means candidates with a regular academic background. Experience required is 0 to 2 years, making this role suitable for fresh graduates and early career developers. If your goal is backend development or software engineering, this is probably the strongest opportunity among today's video. Now let's move on to the third and final opportunity of today's video. This role is quite different from previous two. Accenture is hiring network and service operations new associates in Chennai. If you are interested in networking, telecom infrastructure, or communication technologies instead of coding, then this role is designed for you. Your work will involve supporting network planning and engineering activities. You will assist in designing passive optical network solutions, analyze network performance, contribute to optimization initiatives, solve operational issues, and support network implementation projects. You will also collaborate with engineering teams to maintain reliable broadband infrastructure. The required skills include network planning, passive optical networks, network engineering, fiber network design, network analysis, optimization, and knowledge of fiber design, telecom infrastructure, or optical fiber technology will be an added advantage. For eligibility, any graduate can apply. Experience required is 0 to 1 year, so freshers are eligible here as well. If you are targeting networking careers instead of software development, this role can be a solid starting point. Now, if we compare all three opportunities, if you are interested in software development, then the application developer role should be on your first priority. And if you are interested in cloud operations automation, then the SW app cloud tech support role makes more sense. And if your goal is network engineering, then the network and service operation role is the best fit. The good thing is that all three opportunities are from Accenture, one of the biggest IT companies in the world, and all are open for freshers. Now, don't wait until the last application deadline. Alright, guys, that's it for today's video. All the apply link are in the description box. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out my next opportunity update video. And if you want any particular job update in a particular domain, make sure to comment down so I can bring it in front of you. I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching, guys.